TOPN is a powerful table function that receives as input a table and returns only the top n rows of this table after having sorted it with a specific criteria. Let's see that with an example. Here I'm creating a table using add columns over the values of product name, computing the sales amount. So the result of this table contains every product, and for each product we have the product name and the sales amount. This is fed into TOPN that says that we want the top 3 elements out of this table sorted by sales amount descending. Descending means that the first row will be the one with the highest value. Therefore, the TOPN returns the top 3 products, the top 3 sellers over all the time. And this is exactly the result we have here. The 3 products with their sales amount, and these are the top 3 sellers over all time. Beware that TOPN does not guarantee that you receive only the number of items you requested. You might obtain more values in the presence of ties. In this example, I'm using mround in order to artificially introduce ties in the result. So these add columns will return multiple products with the same amount. And even though I'm requesting only the top 3, you see that I receive 5 rows, because with 500,000, there are multiple rows with the very same value. So TOPN does not guarantee you that you will receive exactly the number of rows you request. You might have more. And if that is the case, what you can do is specify further sorting condition. The same expression where I not only specify that I want the sort order by sales amount, but also as a secondary sort, the product name ascending, means that I will obtain only the first 3 products, because after the sales amount, TOPN uses the product name to further sort the values.